Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove stubborn programs with Bulk Crap Uninstaller in 2026. Let's get started. Sometimes a program cannot be removed using the normal uninstall process. You may receive an error message, the uninstall button may not work, or the program may leave files and registry entries behind. These applications are often referred to as stubborn programs. Bulk Crap Uninstaller includes several advanced features that can help remove these difficult programs more effectively than the standard Windows uninstall tool. First, open Bulk Crap Uninstaller on your computer and wait for the application list to load completely. Next, locate the program you want to remove and select it from the list. Click the Uninstall button on the toolbar. Bulk Crap Uninstaller will first try to launch the program's built-in uninstaller. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstall process if they appear. If the normal uninstall process fails or leaves traces behind, Bulk Crap Uninstaller can continue by scanning your computer for leftover files, folders, shortcuts, and registry entries related to that program. After the scan is complete, review the detected items carefully. In most cases, these items belong to the program you just removed. If everything looks correct, click Delete selected to remove the remaining files and registry entries. If the program has no working uninstaller or still appears in the application list, Bulk Crap Uninstaller also provides advanced cleanup options that can remove invalid uninstall entries and help clean up broken program records. Always review the selected items before deleting them to avoid removing unrelated files. Once the cleanup process is complete, click Finish or Close. If Windows asks you to restart your computer, save your work first and then restart the system to complete the removal process. Using Bulk Crap Uninstaller to remove stubborn programs helps clean up leftover files, registry entries, and broken uninstall records, making it easier to keep your system organized and free from unwanted software. That's how you can remove stubborn programs with Bulk Crap Uninstaller in 2026. Thanks for watching.